Once upon a time, in a bright and bustling town called Harmonyville, lived two sets of twins. The first pair were Lily and Leo, known far and wide as the Good Twins. They were always ready to lend a helping hand and spread joy wherever they went. Lily and Leo loved helping their neighbors, rescuing lost pets, and organizing fun events for everyone in Harmonyville. They made friends wherever they went because their hearts were as big as their smiles. But in a dark, mysterious corner of the town, lived another set of twins, Max and Mia, known as the Evil Twins. Unlike Lily and Leo, Max and Mia loved to create trouble and mischief. They enjoyed playing pranks and causing chaos wherever they went. One sunny day, Lily and Leo were planning a big picnic in the park for all their friends. They wanted to make it the most fun and special event ever. But Max and Mia overheard their plan and decided to ruin it for fun. On the day of the picnic, the park was filled with laughter and joy as Lily and Leo set up colorful blankets and delicious treats. But Max and Mia had a sneaky plan to mix up the picnic food with silly surprises.
As the picnic began, everyone was excited to eat, but when they took a bite, they were surprised to find silly surprises in their food. Confetti flew everywhere, and there were unexpected flavors. The picnic turned into a fun, chaotic mess, but everyone couldn't help but laugh. Lily and Leo quickly realized what was happening. Instead of getting upset, they decided to turn the prank into an opportunity for fun. They invited Max and Mia to join in the festivities and help clean up. Max and Mia were surprised by Lily and Leo's kindness. They had expected to cause trouble, but they were amazed by how the Good Twins turned a tricky situation into a joyful one. In the end, Max and Mia had a great time, and realized that making others happy was much more fun than causing trouble. They apologized for their mischief, and promised to use their cleverness for good from then on. And so, the town of Harmonyville became even more united. The Good Twins and the former Evil Twins worked together, spreading happiness and kindness wherever they went. And that's the story of how Lily and Leo, the Good Twins, turned even the most mischievous day into a heartwarming adventure. Remember, kids, kindness can turn any situation around and make the world a brighter place. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time.